Welcome to the origin of purity, where we select only the finest grade A green pomelos, bursting with the vibrant life force of nature's freshest harvest. The journey begins as these lush fruits are carefully transferred onto our state-of-the-art conveyor system, marking the first step in a meticulous extraction process. Each fruit is a vessel of aromatic potential, rolling through our facility under the watchful eyes of experts dedicated to maintaining the highest standards of quality.
Amazing.
This rhythmic dance of green spheres showcases the scale of our production, where industrial efficiency meets the raw, organic beauty of the Vietnamese countryside's finest. Look closely at the textured skin. These tiny pores hold the precious essential oils we seek to capture in their most potent and unadulterated form. As they move deeper into the plant, the pomelos prepare for a multi-stage cleaning process designed to remove every trace of dust and impurities. Human touch and technological precision work in harmony here, ensuring that only the healthiest, most oil-rich peels are selected for the upcoming extraction phase. The fruit plunges into an advanced ozone-saturated bath, where powerful bubbles work to sanitize the surface while preserving the delicate chemical balance of the oils. Soft, automated brushes gently massage the fruit under a continuous flow of purified water, ensuring a deep clean without damaging the precious oil-bearing outer layer. After the wash, the pomelos emerge sparkling and refreshed, with crystal-clear droplets clinging to the emerald skin, signaling the start of true purification. A final high-pressure rinse acts as a surgical strike against any remaining particulates, leaving the fruit in a state of absolute clinical cleanliness. Every stage of this process is designed to protect the integrity of the essence within, preparing the fruit for its transformation into liquid gold. Our ozone technology ensures a level of sanitation that traditional washing cannot match, providing a safe and pure foundation for our premium essential oil. It is a spectacle of cleanliness, where nature's bounty meets scientific rigor to create a product that is as safe as it is powerful. Clean, dry, and ready for the next phase, the pomelos represent the pinnacle of raw material preparation in the world of essential oil production. Precision is key as our automated peelers delicately shave the flavor, the outermost green layer with the highest concentration of essential oil resides. By separating the bitter white pith from the aromatic green zest, we ensure that our final product remains pure and free from unwanted compounds. The peels fall like emerald ribbons, at a beautiful sight that signals the concentrated essence of the fruit is finally ready to be harvested and refined. Constant monitoring ensures the perfect thickness of every peel, as we aim to capture only the oil sacs without any excess pulp or fiber. The air in our facility is thick with the invigorating scent of fresh citrus, a testament to the high-quality oils being released during this process. There is an art to this mechanical precision, a delicate balance between speed and care to keep every drop of oil within the peel intact. These vibrant peels are now at their most aromatic, ready to undergo the cold pressing process that will release their hidden treasure without the use of heat. Automation allows us to process large quantities while maintaining a level of consistency that ensures every bottle of our oil meets the same high standard. While we focus on the oil from the peel, the rest of the fruit is repurposed, and ensuring that our entire production process remains sustainable and respectful. Inside the cold press, millions of tiny oil sacs are subjected to intense pressure, causing them to burst and release their aromatic cargo in a fine mist. The screw press applies steady, cold pressure, squeezing out a potent mixture of water and essential oil without damaging the heat-sensitive chemical components of the plant. This raw extract carries the full soul of the pomelo, flowing through our closed system to ensure no external contaminants can reach the precious fluid. Power and delicacy coexist here. The machine provides the strength needed to extract the oil, while the cold temperatures protect its natural, healing properties. Every surface glimmers with the richness of the oil, a concentrated essence that holds the therapeutic benefits and the signature scent of the fresh fruit. Our facility is a temple of purity, where advanced engineering is used to coax the very best from nature's bounty without compromise or dilution. Once the essence has been extracted, the remaining fiber is collected, having fulfilled its role in delivering the most concentrated form of pomelo aroma. The journey from fruit to oil is nearly complete, as the crude extract gathers, ready for the final refining steps that will reveal its true clarity. Maintaining low temperatures is our promise of quality, ensuring that every molecule of the essential oil remains as vibrant as it was in the orchard. The centrifuge takes over, spinning the extract at incredible speeds to harness the power of physics and separate the oil from the water and solids. In the stillness after the spin, a miracle occurs. The pure essential oil rises to the top, forming a distinct, shimmering layer of golden clarity. Witness the birth of liquid gold. This is the pure, concentrated heart of the pomelo, flowing flawlessly and free from any unwanted impurities or water. Its transparency is a testament to our nanofiltration and centrifugation process, achieving a level of purity that meets the highest international pharmaceutical standards. Final filtration ensures that not even the smallest microscopic particle remains, leaving only the pure, volatile compounds that provide the oil's unique therapeutic benefits. Every batch is tested for perfection, ensuring the color is a radiant gold and the scent is a true, bright reflection of the living pomelo tree. The result of our hard work and precision is rows of liquid sunshine, ready to be bottled and shared with the world as a premium essence. Capturing the light and the spirit of the fruit, our pomelo oil is a masterpiece of modern extraction and a celebration of natural purity. The final stage begins in our sterile packaging room, where amber glass bottles wait to receive their precious contents, protected from the harmful effects of light. Each drop is measured with total precision, ensuring that every bottle contains the exact amount of pure essence promised to our discerning customers. Sealed for freshness and labeled with pride, these bottles are now ready to deliver the invigorating and purifying power of pomelo to your home. Experience the essence of nature with our pure pomelo essential oil, the liquid gold that brings the refreshing vitality of the orchard to your daily life.